We are entering the largest habitat on Earth, a place where the sun is a memory and the weight of the world is a physical force. Meet the giant isopod. At the surface, its cousins are barely a centimeter long. Here, they reach the size of a domestic cat. Why? This is our first clue into the mystery of abyssal gigantism. To understand the giants, we must understand their prison. The abyssal zone starts at 4,000 meters. Here the temperature is 2 degrees Celsius and the pressure is 6,000 pounds per square inch. In the cold, life moves in slow motion. Deep-sea giants follow a strict metabolic law. They grow big to save energy. A larger body is a more efficient battery for storing rare calories. The oxygen supply hypothesis suggests that the high oxygen content of freezing water acts like a fuel. It allows tissues to expand without the animal suffocating under its own weight. Pressure doesn't crush these giants because they are fluid. They have replaced air-filled spaces with specialized proteins that thrive under the weight of several miles of water. With legs spanning nearly 4 meters, the Japanese spider crab is the largest arthropod on the planet. Its size isn't for speed, it's for reach and defense in a world with no hiding places. A single dead whale is a 50-year feast. Here, being big means you can travel further and eat more at once, outcompeting smaller rivals for these rare oases of food. The colossal squid is the apex of this trend. Weighing half a ton with eyes the size of basketballs, it is the ultimate proof that the deep sea favors the massive over the nimble. Size often buys time. The Greenland shark can live for 400 years. These giants are living fossils, surviving in a stable environment that hasn't changed since the time of the dinosaurs. We have explored less than 5% of this realm. The island rules tells us that where predators are absent, giants emerge. What other titans are waiting in the 95% we haven't seen? In the abyss, red is the color of invisibility. Meet the big red, a jellyfish the size of a tractor tire. It doesn't sting, it envelopes, it drifts like a ghostly heart, pulsing in a world where light is a weapon. This isn't electricity, it's chemistry. These rows of cilia scatter light to create a moving rainbow. It is the most sophisticated light show on the planet, used to daze prey before they even realize they're being hunted. Imagine a single cell, not microscopic but 10 centimeters wide. Xenophyophores are the largest single-celled organisms on Earth. They are living sponges made of lead and mercury, thriving where any other life form would be poisoned. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, we find the scavengers. These amphipods are nearly 20 times the size of their surface relatives. They are the cleanup crews of the deepest pits, evolved to crush bone and shell in seconds. These aren't plants, they are animals made of silica, literal glass. Some of these individuals have been filter feeding in the same spot for over 10,000 years. They were ancient when the Great Pyramids were built. Beside the glass sponges grow the black corals. Some colonies are 4,000 years old. They grow less than a millimeter a year, recording the history of the ocean's chemistry in their rings like the redwoods of the sea. Nature's set's most bizarre design, Barreleye. Its head is a transparent cockpit. Those two spots on the front, those aren't eyes, they're nostrils. Its real eyes are the glowing green orbs inside its own forehead. Allows the fish to scan for the shadows of giants above while protected by its own biological helmet. It is a masterpiece of deep-sea engineering that looks more like a spacecraft than a vertebrate. The abyss is not a wasteland of monsters. It is a masterpiece of biological engineering, a sanctuary where the small become kings and the giants rule the dark forever.